Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss class 10th NCERT English books, syllabus and paper pattern. This year SCBC has reduced your 30% of syllabus in literature as well as in grammar that you already know. Those who are not acquainted about this, I had given a separate lecture on this topic. So those who are not acquainted, they should go to that lecture. I will give you the description in this video. So here we are going to discuss about the paper pattern. Before this, I would like to say you that your paper should be of 100 marks, but 20 marks of internal assessment and 80 marks theory paper will come in your exam. So in 20 marks in internal assessment, 10 marks for your FAs and 10 marks for your ASL speaking, listening skills and whatever the other activities you are going to do in throughout the year, means continuous evaluation whatever is going on throughout the year in your school. Here your paper is divided into two parts, part A और part B में होगा. Part A total objective types questions होंगे. ये 40 मार्क्स के आपके ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप्स क्वेश्चंस होंगे. इसमें किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे? सबसे पहला पार्ट होगा इसमें रीडिंग सेक्शन. एज यू ऑल नो रीडिंग सेक्शन में अनसीन पैसेजेस आते हैं. 20 मार्क्स के 2 अनसीन पैसेज आएंगे. फर्स्ट आपका पैसेज होगा डिस्कर्सिव पैसेज. डिस्कर्सिव पैसेज टू टेस्ट योर इन्फेरेंस, इवैल्यूएशन एंड योर वोकैबुलरीज लाइक antonyms, synonyms and all kinds of questions will come in MCQs form. 12 questions will be given to you and you have to attend only 10 questions out of it. And this discursive passage will come in 400 to 450 words. You should go through the whole passage and find out the answers. Second is factual based passage. In this, your visual input, statistical data, chart based test or analysis interpretations will come. 12 questions. MCQs types questions will come. You have to attend only 10 questions out of it. Okay. Then your third part is second part is literature textbook. Out of this means literature textbook 10 marks portion will come. In these two extract will come, one from prose and one from poetry. So 2 extract of poem will come. You have to attend only 1, and 2 extract of prose will come. You have to attend only 1. So both the questions are again 5 marks each. Okay, so total here you have 5 plus 5, 10 marks each question will come. Then you have grammar. Grammar questions 10 marks MCQs questions will come. Here again 12 questions. Out of 12 you have to attend only 10. What are the topics you have to learn in grammar? Tenses, modals, subject, verb, concord. Reported speech. In reported speech, subtopics are command and request, statements, questions, and determiners. Okay, so these are the topics, and you have to learn all these topics very nicely. And questions will come in the form of MCQs. Okay. Then what are the deleted grammar portion that I had already given you? Once again, you should go through this. This deleted grammar portion is passive voice, clauses, noun clause, adverb clause, relative clause, and pronouns. This you will not learn. So this is about our part A. Now just go through the part B. Part B, all questions will come in subjective types of questions you have to attend, means you have to give the answer in theory form. And this is including 40 marks questions. First part is writing section. In writing section will come for 10 marks. In this, first of all, you have to attend formal letters. Formal letters that I had already taught you, like a letter to the editor and business letter and official letter which you are writing to some companies or in some official offices. So formal letters are like letter to the editor or letter to Nagar Nigam or collectors, like that. These letters should be in 100 to 120 words. It is based on given situation. It may be like complaints or requirements or arguments or something like that. Second one is writing on analytical paragraph, 100 to 120 words based on given outline data, chart, clues, and words out of 2 questions you have to attend. And this is including of 5 marks. Okay, this question you will get 5 marks. Second part of part B is literature. This is including 30 marks. So don't be confused that you had already attended literature part here. Here you have attended only 10 marks literature part. You have to attend 30 marks literature. In this, first of all, you have to attend very short answer type questions. Out of 6, you have to attend only 4. And your answer should be in 20 to 30 words. So each from the first flight and footstep without feet. Both the books, 3 questions will come. You have to attend 2 questions. That means 2 into 4, 8 marks questions or SAQs, short answer type questions, very short answer type questions will come. Next we have once again short answer type questions. Here you have to write answers in 40 to 50 words. Here you should write the answers in 20 to 30 words. Okay. So 6 out of 6, 4 questions you should attend. And here also 2 questions from first flight and 2 questions from footstep without feet will come. Next we have long answers type questions. Here you should write the answers in 100 to 120 words. This question is having 5 marks each. So 2 questions will come. Out of 2 you have to attend only 1. Next, once again, very long answer type questions. This is having 200 words answers, and 1 answer you have to attend out of 2. Okay, so this question will come from footprint without feet. Only this from this book here, this question will come, and your answer should be in like theme or plot. Okay, it involves interpretations, exploitations on plot or. So it is all about your paper pattern and marking scheme. So you have to study accordingly. If you would like, take a screenshot of it and note it down in your notebook index page and study according to that. Thank you so much.